hearing loss and your sensory neural hearing loss. Sige, so conductive hearing loss, usually, there's a problem with the external part of the ear. External ear, the middle ear, or both siya. Okay, so mayroon siya yung problem na makita ka. So very common siya, especially for boxers, yung mga cauliflower ears na nila. Any trauma to the ears, okay, or example, sometimes na improper na pagkulikot to clean the ear, so pwede siyang magka-cause sa conductive hearing loss. Diba? That's why tagapag-gusto, especially for children. O diba kung isa, ito kasundin, ginaya na doon kalami, ginagawa super dasol-dasol, ang katagbads na. Okay? So, for this type of hearing loss, they will have difficulty hearing soft sounds, and even your loud sounds. So, ang loud sounds, magtutol siya pagkitihan. So, if you whisper, mabudayan sila, mabatian. Okay? Kung tudo-tudo naman, so medyo bumul siya, hindi siya that clear yet. Okay? Or they would feel their full or stuffy sensation in the ear. If you've tried na nag-dive-dive kung swimming, tubuhan tubig, dito ka mo na siyang feeling. Hindi na may gasupol, kumbaga. Okay, that's why we do not also advise na you put on your earphones while sleeping overnight. Hindi na flexible. Your visual sensory hearing neural loss, usually naman yan is on the inner ear siya. So meaning there's something wrong with that, okay? Especially with the transmission. Okay? So meaning, ang outer ear is okay, and inner ear kaya ang may some problem. Okay? So, it will affect the inner ear, your vestibulocochlear nerve, and ang iyang passages towards the brain. Sige. So, anong nupatian nila yan? So, some sounds may seem overly loud in one ear. Ang affected niya, doon ka bumulgin siya yan. Difficulty following conversations when two or more people are talking. Okay? So, hindi siya siligan doon, hindi siya kabalong multitask. O, damo-damo, natidugan na ako na. Although at times siguro, na-try naman na yun, di ba? If you're so stressed, panic ka na, nasala-sala ka na, tapos sila input. Okay, so mabatian mo na lang yan, basta gawakan sila na lang. Okay? Difficulty hearing in noisy areas, mga busy places. Okay, if you want to play na tuman, sabi may napagda or yung follow, so bumuda yan, you're to follow that sound, especially kung loud-gawin siya. Difficulty recognizing high-pitched sounds, especially may S or TH from one another. Kung mag-ambad, S, TH. Yung mga S, so hindi ka makabati kung may mga snakes. Okay, S. Okay, so again, for graphic representation, so conductive hearing loss from the outer ear here, up to the middle ear. So sa inner ear, yung sensory neural. Okay, so meaning there's problem also with your bones. Okay, your malleus incus and your stapes have that one. On that one also. So there. So conductive daw, imagining listening to a radio with the volume turned right down. Dito niya kabati. But, as a sensory neural, try to listen to a radio that has not been tuned incorrectly. So, static na siya ba naman. Doon mo naman na yan. So, ngayon, nababatian ka, pero hinay-hinay siya. Si sensory neural is static siya. Sige. So, one that we could conduct for hearing is your Weber test. Okay, so Weber test, what equipment do we use? Your tuning fork. Okay, so this one, yung take note, so it's not limited to the vertex lang. So how do we conduct the Weber test? Technically, ano ba yung tuning fork? Anong tanong? O, ilang gusto siya. Hindi siya huli. On a hard object, man. Okay? Or hindi breakable object, ha? Hindi siya lang breakable. So medyo hard siya, stable object. And then, May butas. So, there, we know. We have it to the cortex, very common. Pero pwede man siya, kung di siya accessible middle of the forehead, okay, between the eyebrows, pwede man siya sa bridge of the nose or sa chin. So, meaning, basta sa midline. Okay, and then how do we check? If the sound lateralizes to the affected side, so conductive hearing loss siya. Pero kung ano siya nagkado sa unaffected side, so sensory neural hearing loss. Ano ma-feel na dapat? Do may vibration siya or may leakage siya, di ba? Sige, question. Tama sa hearing. Si Michelle ang talawig na rin. Next is smell and taste, which would generally decline also in the geriatric population. Okay? So this one. So with age, okay, so no, technically, doon siya. Wala may siya research or studies on that one. Pero, it has been found na ang number of taste buds decrease with age. By the age of 60. So wala kang nagahambal, habang magamay mo tila, ha? Meaning na ang function ng balance ng taste buds na affected. So half din of the taste buds. So the mouth produces less saliva as you age. That's why very common sila also is mga xerostomia, dryness of the mouth. That works. Okay? Dryness of the mouth. So very dry, it could affect your taste. Okay? So wala man ako sugambal nga hindi dapat super laway. Ito mo yung parang taste better. Alay naman ay akong nag-drool ka naman ha. So basi may another, di naman ka upper motor neuron lesion. Okay? Sige. So first loss of taste is usually the salty or sweet, the very sign of sweet gift. Okay, that's why ang ilan na saburan is so, last eye siya. Okay, kakatulad ng mga umami. Okay, and eventually, ang sour, pag ang bitter, ang kunal, kadula. Okay lang tanino kung sour ang bitter, kadula. Kasi hindi maging palakaon sila yan. Okay, pero ang salty or sweet, din akong kadula. Sige, for smell, usually, ha? Okay lang. As for 17 na siya, age of 17 na siya, nga, affected siya. So, we call that phenomenon as your presbyosmia. Pag-inaya sa presbyopia, sa eyes na siya ha. Okay? Presbyosmia is sa nose naman. So, hindi ka naka-smell properly. Wala yun naman yun, syempre, if you're stuffing nose or running nose. Pero aliyah, it never goes away na nila. Usually, by the age of 17, hindi na ba simutan naman. Okay? So, according to research, directly related siya. When you can't smell, you lose interest in tasting. So, basi meron ka muna notice, iba, before siya magkaon, inasimutan nila agad. If amon siya or appetizing, mas maganahan ka. Also, if you want to check, let's say leftover food na, so di ba usually smell na maging kung mabaho na siya, hindi na siya edible to eat. Okay. Sa anosmia is wala kaligya may masimutan. Anosmia is absence yun. This one, nga matama siya diminish. May masimutan ka pa man niya on this one. Pero hindi na siya kamuli na balang ka-strong, nga makambal ka nga, say for example, CK1 na siya. O iya, yung kuha. Hindi na kita mo na balang ka-very distinctive. Sige. So why is this important? Especially if they're living alone. Okay? Get this one. So, kung hindi nila masimutan, hindi nila mabalang nga, let's say, spoiled na, panos na ang food. So, pwede nila kaunon. Kaunon nila can cause GI irritation. Could cause food poisoning for the adults. Or, let's say, for example, may nasunog or may galing na gas. Usually, may panimuan na, sunog ha. Pero for them, if they can't smell it, hindi sila ma-alert. Let's say, may are ongoing na fire, yes, or may nag-leak na gas which could eventually cause kung mag-expose siya, ma-explode siya on that one. Especially if you're living alone. So, muna mga risks. Okay? Okay, questions? Okay. Mucus is technically good siya. Also, di ba earwax is good because sila nag-protect. Ang mucus also is, na siya gano'n sa mga nerve endings. Pero wala tagambal, ang matibini okay lang, mas kita mo, kada diri kag mga sipon-sipon. Hindi man, syempre hygienic man ta. Okay, pero technically, di ba, we have yung mga built up, mga very fine or thin mucus and earwax, which are okay. The last, ear touch. Complicated human response to the touch. Depende sa receiver. Diba? Hindi ko nga muna kung kailan na yung okay ka lang. I mean, relaxation, sa comfort siya. Pero kung ikaw, yan, green-minded, kaya harassment na. Okay. So, technically, for the elderly, tactile sensation will decrease. Physio, diba? Yung mga Meissner corpuscles, sila ng mga receptors na for 5, discriminative touch and low vibration. Okay? That's why, diba, if we're handling elderly patients, why madalagang ba na super careful, more sensitive. Pero kasi, diba, BCS4. Okay? If impaired, okay lang to, or if impaired ng sensation, okay lang to use hot packs. O hindi, di ba? It's contraindicated. How about your ES? Impaired sensation, ES. Then si ES. Si TENS. Si TENS, yeah. Hindi, di ba si TENS, dapat specific siya. Si ES, yeah, okay lang. Before kayo on education, strengthening, so okay lang siya. Pero also for this, di ba? Very thin ang skin for elderly patient. So meaning, any friction, especially with positioning, pwede sila dasig sila magpilas. And dugay man siya mag-heal. So shearing forces, gina-try that to avoid. For not to the point man ka very sensitive, kung mo doon kita ka mo mag-compute man sa ina. Okay, same also, if you're going to assist them, syempre, hindi man yung super grab ito mo yan sa ila. If they're able to do so, mga assisted, okay, or standby assist, contact guarding will do. Skin elasticity is also reduced. Ikaw mo na siya, skin turner, magawa na magbalik, dugay na siya, dugay siya tayo balik for that one. Thermal sensitivity, na. So take note again, especially if you're using modalities. Even if, magkapat si ES, hindi contraindicated ang impaired sensation, pero kasi diba, kung tutungod naman also ang intensity, so ang iyang ando kurente, man sa ES is sakit also. Okay, so again, always ask it. Especially for patients who have DM also. Okay, very careful kita. So important kita, proper foot care. Okay, for them. So yeah, for same lang, di ba? Yung precautions, very young, very old. Kailangan sila matutuwa, lasing man sila mainitan. Especially if you're using, again, your modalities. Sige, ano ba? Age 15, many elderly people have reduced sensitivity to pain. Reduced sila sensitivity to pain. Okay? So, more sensitive to light touch sila due to the thinning of the skin. So, mas ma-feel nila. Okay? So, it's very important to explain the procedure, especially touching an elderly person, especially outside the Philippine setting. Again, if wala ko explain, gusto bigala na ng touch, page that could sweep for harassment. And then, kung sa atin, siguro, doon ka okay lang. Hindi ba? Doon sa others, kasi nagkambyat lang ito. Pero technically, di ba? That's part of preparing your patient psychologically. You explain the procedure to the patient. Sige. Increase the pressure when touching, para ma-feel nila. And decrease the sensitivity. But again, not to the point that it will cause pain for the patient. Okay? Enough lang ang matyagan nila, not too much so it can cause pain. And then check temperatures, especially if you're going to assist with ADLs. As well as in the Philippine setting, if they're taking a bath, let's check the temperatures of water. Okay? Even washing. Questions? None. Sige, so principles of design. Negativity. So again, we could recommend some mga changes in sa ilang bedroom, sa ilang living space, Okay, so that we could try to accommodate for the sensory changes. So these are examples. I'll post a copy man. So let's say visual field, or you know word na eyes. Okay, so mas better if, let's say, labeled siya. Kung nabuta yan, let's say na makita, di ba, all things are labeled. Or dapat level siya sa ilang eyes. Okay? If there are stairs, usually kapunta ng mga stickers. Okay, the person ng mga reflectorized para makita nila mga may steps na tatali. Subong, di ba uso na sa mga bedroom, under sa bedroom may strip of lights na pwede naman na siya also. Oh, pero syempre, ang warm lang, hindi yung mga red. Hindi ka, lain naman na. Okay, that one. Sige, can we take note lang of this one? So for visual field and visual acuity, kumuning mga environmental mga changes or accommodations. Good lighting, you reduce the glare. There. Use large prints on labels. Clear obstacles and remove hazards. And limit night driving. For illumination, so add cooler lights around the home. Okay? So munang doon ka mga warm lights lang siya dapat. Sige, use task lighting if they're still working. So dapat may mga lamps sila, mga abo na siya. And night lights, kung gabi. Or may habalita, mga strip lighting sa beds, sa cabinets. For ma-highlight nga ay may cabinet, ay gali ang bed. Okay? Sige, for glare, silaw. So still the same, use cooler. If they're out and about, pag-usin na. Use your hats, mga visors, use your glasses, to protect the eyes also. Or, very common, use blinds or shades to control, like mga amani. Premier, di ba gani ang isa-isa, na siya lang ang blinds, ganyan. Sige, for contrast, so avoid patterns or stairs and carpets. Kung imagine, may problem siya with contrast, tapos imo, yung zigzag pa yan. Zebra, mga patterns. Or doon mga leopard or cheetah. So si Lola na maglayan na mag-navigate or mag-ambulate. Okay? Mark the edges of each step with contrasting colors para mabanlaan nila ang sa left kag ang sa step mismo. Okay? Paint around light switches for visibility, yung mga una. Or ang iba, use sila doon mga reflectorize or doon neon for may identify, ay ara, the green switch. Or even if from afar, you could locate where it is. O syempre, hindi na uso sa ilaw. Avoid transparent utensils, equipment, or things. Ang mga plastic spoon and fork, hindi pwede. Except if ang mga color. For mga ito, di ba mga usual na transparent. Sige, for depth perception, so, di ba may iba na may problems with one eye, for example, okay, yung mga amblyopia. So technically here, you rest the dominant eye. Okay? O tanawan nyo, for amblyopia, you patch the strong eye. Alam mo yun ang strong eye, how si lazy eye, pa yun dapat ang free, galing. Oh yes, technically, kung si left ang strong eye, ang right ang lazy eye, so, di ba, nakapilitan si left na siya ang ma-focus. Ikasama siya, kung hindi siya natulog. So, para hindi siya ma-super stress, siya ang i-cover ta. Okay, para magpilitan si lazy eye na, uy, ikaw dapat ang ma-focus, hindi ako hindi ka natulog. So, again, si strong eye ang ginapatch ta para maka-rest siya. So, clear path of obstacles. So, if it helps, mas better if masaulo nila. Touch nila ang objects. Okay, we're not, nagiging sa blindness, pero kung mayroon sila problem with depth perception. Sige, use handrails when available because they have risk for falls. Limit night driving also. For hearing loss, so proper lighting and visibility. So, mga wake-up alarms nga extra loud. Okay? Sa ilalang yan ang loud ang mga extra loud. Okay? Or with vibration para mag-feel nila kung hindi na mabatian. Okay? So may iba now, let's say this one, motion detectors for faucets if hindi nila mabatian. Okay? Or sa mga, this one, carbon dioxide detectors na ma-flash. So hindi nila mabatian na ga-alarm na, at least kung makita nila nga may blink-blink, that would alert them if they are able to hear it. Okay? Doorbells are intercom systems that activate flashing lights. So may na-doorbell, hindi nila bagian, hindi ko pag-ina, patuga buzzer, to dapat light activated siya. Tapos, di ba? Kaya mo tani. So we have closed captioning in TVs, DVDs, na may SDH. Subtitles for the deaf and hard of hearing. So hindi na siya yung English sa American. So may amogi din siya yan. Okay? So i-try ka lang to turn on. Ayun ang feature. Sige, for taste, very important, especially outside the Philippines setting in which they are confined in the care home. Okay? So that's why if you've seen some movies, tumiyari din sila yung one day na nag-gathering sila. Okay? That's where socialization also. Okay? So make meals social events. So pwede mabala na sir dito na sir sa may banquet table to eat para kay Sir Yanay, kamunin, amuna. Okay? Para maganahan sila. Because if a lot of things is important because if they do not eat, generally, okay, the whole body will be affected. So, there will be muscle weakness and eventually deconditioning. Hindi wala na sila enough energy and nutrients. Sige, always check the temperature of the food, not too hot and then not too cold man. Okay? Make the food look appealing. So, means dapat look chef-ish din. Eh, syempre, nandun presentable man, hindi man kita yun sa mga movies, sa cafeteria, ito, hindi ka pang wala mo na. Nandun ka namin, man balahaw, maganahan man si Lolo or si Lola mag-eat. Especially nga, hindi na sila madahil at taste properly. Okay? So, use more herbs and spices to enhance the flavor. Okay? Pero may matalagang bala nga, super, like kung gusto nyo, yung isa ka muna nga pepper, para lang masaburan. Okay? Vary and widen food choices. So, hindi nga sila, example, adobo sa Monday, pagka Tuesday, adobo mo yapon. Every morning, adobo lang yun yan. Okay? So, dapat meron naman siya pilihan on that one. That's why for mga care homes, medyo mahal na siya also. Hindi ko ano, para may variations in the food. Savor favorite meals. When you say savor favorite meals, you ask the patient, anong favorite meal mo of the day? Di ba naman siya may breakfast? Meaning, you prepare that breakfast will be medyo extravagant siya. So, pwede, di ba, prepare ka sa sagwa, sa patio, or sa veranda. O, di ba? Tapos may flowers sa table. Tapos, ipa-Sunday dress mo siya, for example. Or sa gabi kong dinner, ang favorite niya. So, let's say, mga candlelit dinner, para maganahan sila. And, syempre, observe good dental habit. So, always encourage them to brush, to floss, okay, just to keep oral hygiene, okay, or use mouthwash. And, okay, if you observe proper, good hygiene, dental hygiene, so mas lesser ang chances na, sige ka mo, dentures or pustiso. Sige, for smell, hindi sila ka panimaho. So, label food or items that look or smell similar. Hindi na nila kasi mutan, di ba? Very common, it is your iodized salt and your sugar, ang white sugar. Di ba? Hindi mabalaan. So, kung luto-luto sila, okay, taste, hindi naman is decrease, hindi nila mabalaan. Kung salty and sweet, hindi ba mo ng first aid to taste ka katuna. So, label. O, make sure na proper mo ng label, ha? Di ba si Carol salty, pero yung label mo sugar, okay, wala mo siya yung pulos. Sige, encourage attention to personal hygiene to prevent body odor. Okay, that's part of your personal grooming, part of ADLs also. And make food or environment appealing and pleasant. So, muna, mga candlelit dinner. Okay, wala kasi to the point na dumig ka violin, kailangan. At least, presentable siya para maganahan sila mag. Okay, questions? None. Sige, I'll be giving you an activity, but this is by group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 29 activity. Sige, it's by group of 5. So, isa, sige, so, identify 5 problems from this associated with dementia in elderly individuals, and create at least 2 modifications or accommodations for each problem list. So, ulitin na siya. Do not forget to write your names. Sige, para fair also. So again, since there are 5 problem lists, there are 5 in a group, except for 1 na apat. So, isa-isa ka mo sulat. Isa ka problem list, nagawa ka modifications or accommodations. Associated with dementia. Pero ano niya, ang sa sensory changes lang niya, not incorporate yung muscle weakness. Dito wala naman yan. Ang sensory changes lang. So for example, for dementia, ang let's say lang, ang hindi identify is auditory hallucinations. Pwede na siya isa for hearing. So anong accommodations niyo for that one? So di ba dapat reduce mga background noise. Mga wala. Para wala siya may mapatid-patihan ka lang.
Is there all
Yes, you can choose your own na naman this one.
No.
Again, only groups of 5, isa lang tayo yung mag-group na may 4. Sorry, iwakita mo. Steps na.
Visual perception.
If you identify you for vision, please specify ha. Let's say visual acuity or sa visual field niya. And then ano ang inyo, duwa lang man, modifications or accommodations. So, kumunto kanina, let's say for example, so if you think may have problem with contrast, so isa nga pwede nyo mabagali as avoid patterns on or pattern carpets, pattern flooring, label each Sige, as much as possible, if you can have one for each sense, kasi ka na puro visual. O pwede ka muna talk about it.
Hearing ako. Dapat vision ka. Vision, hearing,
Tapos pwede,
smell,
si taste na
taste,
pinatapos.
touch. Wala sa touch. Charles! Touch ka. Lahat mo na ka.
We are